Hello and welcome to the second tutorial in the CSS Basics tutorial series, and in this tutorial we're going to look at the syntax of CSS. It's pretty easy to get your head around. This tutorial assumes you've done tutorial 1. If you haven't, there'll be a link in the description to the source code. In future tutorials there'll also be a link in the description to the source code produced from that particular tutorial. As in this tutorial we're not really going to be doing any coding, we're just going to go over some previous code. There'll just be the one link. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up the code. First of all, let's open up a text editor. File open, desktop, CSS. I'm going to open these two files up. Okie dokie. In the index.css, if you remember from the first tutorial, we did body, which referred to the body tag, and then we did color, which means the text color, and then red, which is obviously the color red. There's three main elements which go to CSS styling. You have the selector, which basically means what do you want to apply styling to. So in this case we've identified an actual tag. If you identify a tag, you don't actually put anything in front of it. If you were to, let's say, do a tag with an ID, so you want to specify an ID, you would do hash and then the name of the ID, and then you would do the curly braces. But if it was a class, you would put dot. This will be explained in further tutorials. So that's the selector part done. The next section is the actual property that you want to affect. So in this instance we're affecting the color property, which, like I said, is the text color. Then finally you provide the value, and the value here is red. And that's it for CSS syntax. There is a little more that you can do and use, and we would recommend using some of the more advanced features, but as this series is just a basic series, we're not going to be covering those features. If you have any questions regarding this or some of the advanced features, feel free to message us, and thanks for watching.